Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you guys how to wire this bad boy horn from Harbor Freight with the wiring harness I bought at AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. It was actually for the Wolo horn, and it came with the button. Now, you're going to have two wires going from the back of your horn. One goes all the way here. Here's your relay that you get, right? This is the relay that comes with the horn. This wired wired relay switch I bought at AutoZone for like 14 bucks. So that, and then you plug the relay that comes with the horn, and it does not come with the wiring harness, so keep that in mind. You're going to see basically three wires coming out the back. There's a pigtail right here, a jumper wire, and then you have this long gray one. This long gray one goes to one of the screws in the back of your button, and then this red one that has this fusible link goes to your battery. Then the other red one, see it right here, runs to the horn. So one red wire that has no fusible link goes to your horn. The fusible link goes to your battery. Now that you got that figured out, you find this big long gray wire. You run that long gray wire however you can inside your vehicle. Behind the button, you're going to have two screws, one here and one over there. You're just going to simply strip off some of the casing of the wire and twist it around the screw in the back and screw it back in the hole. And you do the same thing with here. Now what I did is I got all this wire, I mounted it to where I wanted it, then I cut off the excess and I use that excess wire. For now, I'm just running it through here until I can run it in back under here somewhere. It's cold, and as you can tell, there's not a lot of room to be able to open the door fully and bend down in there, so I'll do that when it's outside. But for right now, it's all good, it's all dandy. A lot of spaghetti I got to figure out here. I'm just going to jam that down here for now. Now, that second wire that goes from your button, if you see that the button has the second wire there, that one runs back over here, runs out here, and I have it connected here. Like I said, I'll connect this inside the cabin once I pull it outside and I got enough, but I just wanted to make sure it worked. And it's real easy to just unbolt that and then take that wire off and go and mount it somewhere inside the vehicle. But you got to find ground, and right now it's all plastic in there, so I got to try to find a good ground spot for it. So I will eventually. And until then, that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. So I'll just show you. She beeps. So the two wires, the one long gray wire from the relay goes to the button. Then you cut off the excess, put the excess on the other screw on the button, on the top part, and then you run that to where we're going to use for a secondary ground. Now both of them are ground. There's no power to that switch. This is a ground, and this ground is going to go back and it's complete the circuit once you hit the button. So once that happens, it's all wired up and it's good to go. So like I said, fusible link on the harness goes to the battery. The regular red wire with the clip on the end goes to the horn. One of the wires goes from the horn and goes to the battery. Your negative wire on the relay is that long gray wire. That goes to your horn. So there you go, guys. Harbor Freight horn hooked up. Love yourself, love the country. Peace out.